Hi, my name is Ali. I work at the SDFC and I want to invite you all to join the 100 Club. The 100 Club is a workout challenge where we ask you to complete 100 push-ups a day for the month of April. To join the club, all you have to do is complete a daily Google form with your name, your ASU ID number, and the number of push-ups you've completed and a picture of you rocking the daily challenge. You get points for every day you submit the form, and you get bonus points if you post a video or picture on Instagram where you have to tag us at livewell_ASU. At the end of the challenge, the people with the most points will be entered to win one of our at-home workout kits. Check out our YouTube at Sandoval Fitness for a video with one of our personal trainers showing push-up technique as well as variation that will help you take your push-ups to the next level, no matter your ability. Don't worry, you don't have to complete 100 push-ups at the same time. You can spread them out throughout the day, however you like. We'll be updating a weekly leaderboard that you can track your progress on and compete with your fellow Sandovals, including me. If you can't complete 100 push-ups in a day, don't worry. We will get stronger together. Do what you can and still submit the Google form. I can't wait for you to join the 100 Club with me so that you can build your best you.